In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset hidden suggestions for Apple Intelligence and Siri on iPhone. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now, and we're going to do this directly inside settings, so it's a quick change and you don't need to install anything or download anything extra. First, I'm going to find the settings app. It's the grey gear icon, usually sitting somewhere on your home screen. If it's not on the page you're on, just swipe left or right until you spot it, or check any folders where you keep your utility apps. Once you see settings, go ahead and tap it once to open it up. Okay, now we're inside settings and you'll see a long list of options. This list can be pretty packed, so take it slow and just scroll down until you find the Siri section. I'm scrolling down now, watching the labels as they move up the screen, and I'm looking for the one that says Siri. Depending on your iPhone version, it might be labeled slightly differently, but you're basically aiming for the Siri settings area. Alright, I see Siri, so I'm tapping on it. Now we're on the Siri settings page. This is where you can control a bunch of Siri related options and suggestion settings. What we need is not at the top, so at this point I'm going to scroll down toward the bottom of this Siri screen. I'm just slowly scrolling because there are quite a few sections here, and it's easy to pass it if you scroll too fast. As I get close to the bottom, I'm looking specifically for an option labeled Reset Hidden Suggestions. Once you see Reset Hidden Suggestions, go ahead and tap it. I'm tapping it now. After you tap that, your iPhone is going to pop up a confirmation prompt. This is normal, and it's just there to make sure you really want to reset the hidden suggestions. So on that prompt, go ahead and tap Reset to confirm. I'm tapping reset now, and once you confirm it, the reset happens right away. Now just take a second to let that sink in. There's no extra save button after this, and you don't need to restart your phone. As soon as you hit reset, the action is applied immediately. If you want to double check you did it, you can stay on this screen for a moment and make sure you're still in the Siri settings area. But the main confirmation is simply that you tapped reset on the prompt. And what this does is it clears out the suggestions you previously hid, so they're no longer treated as hidden. It doesn't change your Siri language, it doesn't change your Siri voice, and it doesn't toggle Siri on or off. It's focused specifically on resetting those hidden suggestions so Siri and Apple Intelligence can show them again going forward. At this point, you can tap back to leave the Siri page, or just exit settings and you're done. The important part is you opened settings, went into Siri, scrolled to the bottom, tapped reset hidden suggestions, and then tapped reset to confirm. And that's the full process.